Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Herbaland gummies. These are on sale, as you can see, 30% off, apple cider vinegar, and they're vegan. It was actually kind of neat. So there's the nutrient panel. There's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. It is flavored with stevia, and they use tapioca fiber. So this is what they look like. Never had gummies of these. So. And it does smell like apple cider vinegar, so if you're not a fan of apple cider vinegar, you're probably not going to like this. It's quite strong smell, so... Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so... They're like Swedish berries. Yeah, they taste like Swedish berries. Those little candies that you get at the store. Otherwise, yeah, I don't taste too much of the vinegar at all, though. Alright, see you in more videos, guys.